Good morning. I thought I'd just give you a quick update regarding the chrome work. Trying to put together different categories of the chrome work. This first category is chrome that's already been done. These are new old stock rims, and then I've got some parts that I've bought where the chrome is just fantastic, so won't be doing any of that. This next category is undetermined at the moment. I'm going to try and see if I can clean them up and decide whether they need to be plated or not, or if I should just go ahead and buy replacement parts. For example, there's fork nuts in there that are pretty badly damaged. It might be just more effective for me to buy brand new parts instead. And then here are the few parts that need to be chromed, or re-chromed I should say. They're in pretty nice condition, but this front mudguard, for example, you can see how it's discoloured. It's new old stock, but it's gone sort of yellow over the years, and I haven't decided whether to take that yet. Here are the Manxman mufflers. I'm going to take those and possibly another pair. And even though that primary case looks great from here, it's quite damaged and there's lots of bumps and bruises that I'm hoping to get resolved. We've got the Kickstarter here. Again, I haven't decided whether I'm going to replace that or clean it up. And then finally, and I'll share more about this, but guess what we got in here? Yes. We have got 3 pairs of Manxman exhausts made especially by Raisins in the UK. 1 pair is for myself and 2 pairs are from my friend Sam in Nevada, who has 2 Manxman. So there'll be a whole episode on those as well because they've got the kinks in them now. They look fantastic. And I'll also share more information about Ben and the process that he went through at Raisins. So that's it for now. That's chrome work. And then here, I think I've shown you this already. This is a box that contains all the metal parts that will need to be sanded, primed, and then painted. That blue there was just an experiment, by the way. Wrong colour entirely. Here are my CAD plated parts I'm really happy with. They're also in that tin there. Really looking forward to putting them back on the bike. And then this is going to be another segment on taking this head apart and then getting into more details with the engine. Whoa, that smells.
Is it done?
I think it's well done. This turkey is cooked. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's coming. That might pull out now, I'll just try it. Yeah, there we go. Came out very easily. Okay, great. I think I've got it. There we are. Great. Yeah, it just dropped, but there it is. I nearly dropped that. Okay. get all these things afterwards. There, I can see the Thackeray washer there. Yeah, the washer's there. There's the washer. Okay, this was quite tight. This, I suspect, this was one of the ones that was having a problem. Yep. See that gunk there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a bit of corrosion there.
That's good. Oh gosh, that was...
Uh-oh.
Oh, it didn't look like it had gone in far enough. There's a much longer thread actually. That was only in by 2 or 3 threads. You see that then?
Yeah.
Might be the same again. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just hissed at me there. It's only no threads. Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah, and it's got some, it looks like probably some kind of thread locker.
Yes, yes. All right. Because this one's a lot further in. No, that's tight. That's very tight. Just give that a tap. Yeah.
The collar.
There we go. Oh, got them both. Oh, one.
Yeah.
Got it. Great. That was... How does that look? Certainly dirtier than the last one.
Yeah.
Did it look like there was a chip away from that valve? Was it this one?
I think it was this one.
Yeah.
It looked like it had a...
Oh, it's this one, sorry. It's
Oh, we
this
got the
other
wrong one?
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, there's another one here that's got, looks like a chip away from it. Yeah.
Right.
We'll have a look at that next. All right, great. Thank you, Jeff.
Okay.
Oh. Got them both. Okay, let's have a look at this one, because this was the one that looked like it had the chip in it, wasn't it? Oh.
All the seats loose.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's not good. That has to be corrected.
Yeah. Yeah, it's even coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the seat. Oh well. Okay. Well, we were 3 for 3 until that happened.
Yeah, we didn't like the look of that one, did we?
No. No.
And this valve is, oh yeah, this has been damaged.
Oh yes, look at that.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's damaged.
It's got square. Yes.
Yep.
All right. Okay. Haha. Perfect. Ooh, that's hot. It's quite damaged in there. We'll have a look when it cools down. Ooh. Well, get ready to hit the thumbs down button, guys. You know who you are out there. This one in particular, I've made a decision, and some of you may or may not like it, but I've decided to get these parts vapor honed, so vapor blasted, using water and glass beads. And I've thought about washing them and cleaning them here using some mild chemicals, but honestly, I just can't get into all the nooks and crannies of some of these parts. In particular, this cylinder head. You may have seen already that I've got a problem with that, and the machine shop has actually specifically asked that I get this cleaned thoroughly before they can work on it. The cases are in pretty decent condition, and no doubt I could probably clean these up quite well myself. The gearbox case doesn't even really matter that much because you'll hardly see it once it's on the bike, but I'm going to get that done. And then this piece here, this is the gearbox drive that drives the rev counter or the tachometer. I'm going to see if this comes up. It's brass, I believe. Should hopefully come up real nice with the vapor blasting. And then the cases, just can't seem to get rid of some of those stains, and I know I should probably put it in hot water and treat it, but again, once these parts are all on the bike with all the hardware and the primary cover and everything else, they're going to get lost for the most part anyway by everything else. So that's my decision for now, and the next time you see these parts, they should be nice and clean again.